Y'all good? W's in the chat. Happy Friday, man. Good to be with you all. It's good to be back. Another New York session. Last one of the week, so it should be an interesting one. And we're going to be here for it. What's good, everyone? What up, Shiro? Shiro. Dabbing away. What up, Gotta Trade? Good morning. What up, AB Mike? AB Mike's in the house today. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, TK? What's good, Options? We got Options in the house. Hey, where's Classic at? Classic good? What up, Connor? C4's in the building. Dennis Hood's in the house. What up, Sergio? Rob Trades, Nathan, FX Viking. Storm Player's here. What up, Storm Player? All right. What up, Blasco? All right. I'm just going to set up the Zoom here, and we're going to get rolling. Nigel's in the house. What's up, Nigel? What up, YOLO Trader? There he is. What's good, YOLO? What up, Matthew? All right, I'm just sending the Zoom link out, and then we're going to get rolling here. Let me just share my screen. Zoom. Oh, I almost sent the Zoom link in the... Whoa. Okay. Awesome. I think we're good. Sweet. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you could join our free Discord now. Come vibe with us. What up, Bradley? What up, Rapid Max? All right, let me share the screen here, and we're off to the races. All right, let me just mute. All righty, chat. You ready? New day here. New day, new opportunities. Let me just lower the music a little bit. We're going to get this thing cooking. And today's another day, another opportunity to be disciplined, right? Another opportunity to come in here and be professionals and execute on what we know best. It is the 13th of October here today. We're going to go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here in the news, and then we're going to dive into the charts here. So as you guys can see, standout red folders here. You got, oh, I'm sorry. Let me go to Friday. We have the prelims here, right? So there's prelims coming in. That's not going to be till 10 a.m. There's a little bit of minor news coming in at 8:30 here, and just, you know, some speeches and stuff like that. We do have some stuff here on the pound as well. So that's going to be right around 9:30. So we should see some volume from that. But all in all, should be a pretty clean day here. Just some stuff on the tail end of the session here, but we'll see if we could take advantage of that when the time comes. And that's pretty much it. You know, that's pretty much it. Pretty chill Friday to end off the week, and then, you know, next week we'll talk about next week. All right. So let's go ahead to take a look at the charts here, see what we got going on. Do a quick breakdown on gold and pound yen. Wow, this candle closed bearish, huh? So let's do a quick breakdown here on gold. Look, I mean, we're in this rejection area. Price is really struggling at this support. We closed a no bottom wick, right? Price ended up rejecting that support, moving bullish now very, very nicely, right? As you can see, there was a major level of support right here. Price ended up closing with no bottom wick, tapped into that support, rejects it, moves back up, really looking strong bullish at this point. So we may see some sort of retracement, right? If you get a candle to close bullish here at the end of the month, which we still have plenty of time to go here on the month, but if you do get a candle closing bullish, you should expect the next candle, right, to move up, looking something like this as we retest these levels here, right? This resistance there. So that's what we could see if the monthly closes bullish here, which it very well can, right? May need some sort of a retracement back up into this area here, and then you know, a move back down. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Weekly's moving up as well. As you know, same support level right here. Price closed right, and tapping into that support level, rejecting it, closing. One thing we noticed about this candle is, well, actually both candles, right, is when we were looking at this last week and 2 weeks ago, one thing we know is that this candle closed no bottom wick, right, and this candle opened up without a top wick. So it's no surprise now that you see a new bullish candle moving on up, giving this candle a high, and now coming into these ranges here to see what it could do, right? So that's where we're at on the weekly time frame. No bottom wick on this weekly candle. Got a lot of bullish momentum, but we'll keep an eye on that as well. Today is the last day of the week. I doubt we'll see some sort of drastic move like, what is that? Yeah, no way. Well, never say never, but I doubt that's going to happen. This will probably close with no, just like that. But let's go ahead and take a look at the daily here, because the daily is interesting. So let's get rid of this support. As we know, the daily candles yesterday, we were paying attention to this zone here, right? We paid attention to this zone here. We've seen that the candle broke the highs, but ended up closing back below that range. Now, if the candle's closing back below the range, high chance that price will continue down now, creating that resistance, right? Just like candles did here. But we're blowing past it now, right? And we're breaking the highs. So where does price want to visit next? Well, if we scan the candles, we'll look and we'll notice that there's another area right here at 1889, 1890 here. So price is now revisiting this area here. So will we close above today, right? If we close above today, you have clean traffic moving up to 1930 for, the coming days next week. If we don't, right, if we actually reject this area, similar to what we did on yesterday's candle, and then also similar to what we did over here on the left-hand side in the past, right, how we had these rejections here, well, then candles will move back down here today. So we're going to be open for buys and sells. We're going to take a look at how we can find these opportunities on the lower time frames here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours juicing up, coming up into this area as well. We did have, wow, all straight. Who traded London last night? Damn. Oh, wow. Yeah, London had some moves, huh? Who took buys in London? But anyway, so we have this this 4 hour time frame moving straight up here, right? No signs of retracement. Same thing with the 1 hour, and I think we may need some sort of a pullback here, right? We're gonna need a pullback. We do have clean moves though coming on up, right? There's really nice clean candles coming up into about 1980 or 1898 here. Very clean move. Really nothing stopping price. Now, if we're looking for a pullback, right, we're going to try and capitalize on that pullback today by taking sells. But if we are going to pull back, where are we going to pull back to? Well, there was a resistance right here where price moved from, right? We closed above here and then price moved up. Now price slowed up here, closed bearish on the previous 1 hour candle. Now we may just break this high and fly right now, right? But are you guys comfortable taking these buys? I don't know. I think we need to pull back here. So we'll see if we can get some sort of a move back down for price to continue up. And if we can get that move down here today, we'll capitalize on it. We'll take sells at some point once we get the confirmation. And we'll look to see if we can capitalize on that, and then waiting for supports to move back up. Now, if we don't stop running here, because, man, there's nothing slowing price down here, right? There's nothing in the way. Let's go ahead and take a look to the left a little bit more. Maybe, just maybe, as we come into these areas, you'll see that pullback start to happen, right? Did we break the highs yet? Yeah, we broke the highs here. So let's keep an eye on this. I'm not going to take my buys just yet. As you can see on the 30-minute time frame, the bullish momentum has begun to slow down, but now we've got some action here. So we'll see how this candle moves about for the remainder of the 30-minute candles here. It looks like we did create a support, or attempting to, on the 15. So we'll keep an eye on this. Gold is juicing right now though, man. Gold is moving. Cup and handle. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. Who took buys during London? Anybody? Nice moves here. This was probably the only candle I probably would have traded though. Everyone did. Nice. Dope. Nice. Buy stops at midnight, went to bed. Let's go. Sweet. Let's go ahead and take a look at GJ as well here. I think yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look at pound yen as well. I'm not going to touch this candle here on gold. Let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen. We'll wait for 15-30 minute candle closures there on gold. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, see what we got going on here on the weekly time frame. So weekly candle did break the highs. We are pushing up, but now we're coming back down, right? So I think we broke those highs very early on this week, and now we're starting to move back down. So if this weekly candle can end up closing, let's say below, you know, this support here, then I think there's very high chance to fill this wick here next week, and maybe even come on down. So weekly candles looking pretty decent. I am bullish based off the weekly, right? Weekly did close bullish, but today is the last day, so anything can happen here. So let's take a look at the daily. Daily did close bearish with no bottom wick, so that's a sign that we may pull up here. Today we did create a top wick and we're moving back down. There is a support level right here, which price may want to revisit at this point, and then either make a decision, right? Reject or move through. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame is looking pretty clean. If you do get a closure below support, then there is this clean move, right, to continue down. If maybe price can pull back a little bit and close below, then there's a new 4 hour wick fill there. But you are approaching this level of support now, so we'll see what happens here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour did close with no bottom wick, so you know, what does that mean? No range, right, for the next candle to drive. So you may see a move back up, and that'll be good because that'll leave the wick fill here for the 4 hour time frame, right? So we can expect that on GJ, and yeah, same thing, very clean range here, but it looks like we need some sort of a pullback. So GJ moving down, gold moving up, pretty good. That's what you like to see. It's always a bit odd when both pairs are doing the same exact thing, like we seen happen yesterday, I believe that was, right? So yeah, same thing. Let's wait for some sort of a move back up here on pound yen, and then we could look to see if we could take sells coming back down. But yeah, that's gonna be it, man. That's gonna be it. So I like the ranges we're currently in. We just need pullbacks, right? So we're in clean ranges here. We're not in consolidation, nothing like that, but we just need some sort of a nice healthy retracement for price to continue moving on in those ranges. Dope. Yeah, a lot of you guys took buys in London. Sam Capital's in house. What up, Sam? Pull up, Sam. Had a crazy London session. Passed phase 1. Oh, nice. Fire. On the 10K challenge in one day. Nice. Let's go. Do you already know when John started in London? Yeah, it's gonna be, I think, late October, so coming up. I think he has to sort out 1 or 2 things with a new desktop, something. Yeah, I think he's getting a new computer too, so. I'm the only one who took sells. Yeah, I had sell stops last night during the Asian session. So once we had this 1 hour candle close back in the range here, this one right here. So this was basically anticipating the daily candle's top wick, right? And for us to move back down. So candle closed, right? It closed bearish, right? This candle closed, this 1 hour candle closed with no top wick. Next candle closed bearish. Price moved down. And then as price started moving back up, I had sell stops here. But yeah, once we broke this 1 hour high, I just deleted them and went to bed. Yeah, there was another range like right here where that range could have been totally different. So, but there's a few of them here. So that one was a bit tough. But yeah, I was looking at this resistance here and looking to anticipate the fake out. But yeah, never got activated or anything. Yeah, so 15 did give us some sort of support here too. Yeah, 5 as well. Yeah, 5 came down. 15 created some nice consolidation support. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens here at 1892. With gold moving so hard, what time frame would you be looking to execute on? 15, 30, 1 hour? Yeah, all the above. Yup. And sometimes, very rarely when gold is ripping like this, sometimes that's when I'll consolidate with the 5 minute or consult with the 5 minute, right? Just to see what's happening on that time frame. But I don't think we need that here. We're going to stick with the 15 probably and see what happens here. We're going to reject or we're going to come back down to make a move back down for the 1 hour retracement. So we'll see if we can catch that on the 15-minute time frame and anticipate the 1 hour candles moving back down. Yeah, but 1 hour candles are just ripping, man. 4 hour candles just ripping. Sheesh. Holy. Especially with this one closing with no bottom wick. That's interesting. Gold is still messy. Yeah, gold's a bit messy this week. Definitely. All right, so there is a resistance here on the 1 hour, on the 30-minute time frame. So we're gonna see what happens at this resistance, and we're gonna see if are we gonna move up past it, or are we going to actually reject here and move down. So yeah, we got that resistance. Yeah, because if we start creating resistance up here, then we know price is going to want to move down, right, on the 30-minute time frame to do some sort of pullback. So we can potentially take advantage of that as we see candles closing bearish here, right, on the 15-minute time frame. I'm not going to do it off the 5 minute, but yeah, the 15 is going to be our friend here today on this high volume, high movement day. Do you think the war in Israel is pushing by price bullish? It could, right? Because a lot of people, you know, there's uncertainty with the American people and the United States dollar, right? So if we're all going to go to war, everyone's scared. They're going to, you know, basically scramble in the thought of, oh my God, you know, the dollar is going to go down. So they invest in gold. right? They put their money in a safe haven, and that's what pushes the price of gold up. So yeah, absolutely, especially with some of the talks that's going on in the US. Do I think we could still create a bottom wick for the weekly? I don't know, man. That's like 500 pips away. Yeah, that's 600. Yeah, that's 600 pips away. So to do that today, I don't think so. But like I said in the breakdown earlier, anything could happen. Literally. Yeah, I think if we do create resistance, we can definitely come down to like 1882 here, right? Or maybe this level here, and catch like some sort of a fake out for buys moving back up. So if we're going to do that, right, then what we can do again is if we see some confirmation on 15 or 30 minute time frames where price is showing we want to retrace, then we'll take advantage of that today. $600 pips. $600 pip bleeder. Yo, Classic Traders in the house. What up, Classic? I'm doing great. I was just asking about you. So where's Classic then? Haven't seen him in like 2 days, 3 days. How you feeling, Classic? You good? Any advice for me if I try and transition to a swing trader? Any advice on terms of switching up your strategy, like in holding? Yeah, I mean, give it some time to get used to it. You know, like holding trades, like basically closing trades in 30 minutes as opposed to closing trades in 3 days can be a bit of a different feeling, right? In a different like way of trading. So what I would say is just, you know, get used to that. You can swing trade this strategy as well, right? Like this is pretty much a daily celery play. So depending on what your strategy is, I don't know if you're using this one here, but if you're using this one here, just treat it as if like these higher time frames were the lower time frames. You know, like right here you get a breakout, right? So pretty simple. Like right here you get some sort of a breakout, this candle right here closing below, and then you can take your sells, right, and hold it for the next day, or maybe 2 days or 3 days or 4 days, right, if you believe in that move, because and then just keep your stops hanging out above here. So just lower your lots, you know, adjust everything accordingly, and if you want, you can literally take this same exact playbook, same exact strategy, and use it on higher time frames. As long as your stops align and everything, your targets and all that good stuff align with the higher time frame that you're taking the trade off of, then yeah, have fun with that. I'm curious. I would love to. I don't think I've had anyone really take this and start swing trading with it consistently. So keep me posted if you're gonna do it like that. But in terms of advice, it's just like same stuff, you know, just show up, look for the best trade you can take, give it time to play out, especially if it's a swing trade, and just enjoy the journey, man. Don't worry about the losses. The losses are inevitable, right? They're going to come. As a trader, you're going to take losses, you're going to take wins. As long as the outcome is income, like they say, then just keep doing what you're doing. We love you, Classic Trader. Yeah. We love Classic. What up, Pablo? Good morning. Oh yeah, use the playbook. Yeah, let me know. I'm curious. I'm really curious. Give me a give me an update in like 2 months how that is going, because I'm curious. I've never done it, but I see it play out so well, where you can take the same playbook setups on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame. You just got to be patient and let them play out, right? So yeah, keep me posted on that. Just go full margin on the swing. Yeah, your stops would be like 100 pips, but again, then your TPs are going to be, you know, 100 pips, maybe 150 pips, whatever prices got to offer for you. But yeah, just calculate the lot size, like get magic keys, or, you know, do the calculations and just risk X amount of percentage per trade. Gold moving on up. GJ moving on up too here. GJ's being nice, giving us a retracement. Gold is being naughty. Naughty gold. Oh, nice. I'll start Monday on the daily. Oh, nice. Gonna trade off the daily. Solid. Yeah, and you know, our strategy is really based upon and designed to anticipate really where the daily candle and the 4-hour candle are gonna go, right? So, you know, this candle here, had I been on the charts when this candle closed, right, we could have anticipated these buys based off of the 4-hour and just looking for the positions here on the 1-hour, right? Maybe we could have took this position here. That's probably the only candle I would have traded here along these few candles. But yeah, so that's the idea. That's the sole purpose of what we're targeting, right? We want to see how the 4-hour candles close, and then look to anticipate that 4-hour move by catching entries on, a lot of times, like the 30-minute time frame, or the 1-hour, or the 15-minute, right, to anticipate the move. So yeah, it's very similar to. We just won't hold for the whole entire session or the day. Gold is in a hurry to reach 1919. Yeah, I mean 1900 definitely will most likely come about here. Back into 19 here, gang. Back to 19. We came all the way down here. I think we tapped into almost back down. Yeah, that was nuts. Now back up. Just a few months ago, we were talking about 2000, right? And then all the way back down to the low 1800s, and now coming back up, approaching 1900 here. So gold has been all over the place lately. What up, Green? What's goody? Green is in the house. What up, Greenery? Will the 10 a.m. news be important today? There's I don't think it should be too crazy, the prelims, but you definitely will see volume. Yeah, right here. Yeah, you should see some volume here. Bailey spoke today too on the pound, so that probably pushed pound yen down quite a bit at 4. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Oh no, really nothing. The aftermath was after the speech here. Yeah, nice move down here on GJ. This is that closure that we really have been looking for, right? Close below here on the 1 hour, and then clean move coming back down. Yeah, what I would like to see here on GJ is that move back up, and if we can form resistance, that'd be awesome. You know, if we can come back up this way, form some sort of resistance, and come back down. All right, and then that's our cue. That's where we look to get in, right off that resistance level. So we'll see if we can get something like that here today, but that's the idea. Maybe even like a fake out, right? Where price looks like it's gonna run up to this level, but ends up moving up, but then coming back and closing back below. That'll be the liquidity that we need, and then price should move down, right? So this would be our confirmation candle. Right, we can't budge on sells until we get that candle right there, and then this our trading candle, right? This are probably our partial TP somewhere in here, and then move on down to, you know, this wick zone here. So well, let's see, GJ. Started trading gold. Oh, I want to start trading gold. I only trade GU. Any advice on how to transition in gold? Yeah, sample size it for a little bit. So come in, look at the candles. I don't know what strategy you use, if it's this playbook or if it's a different one, but sample size it, right, on your strategy and see if things work out as well. I could say one thing, gold is a lot faster than GU. Gold will wick up and down, a lot more aggressive than GU as well. So if you're an intraday trader, you know, really keep an eye on that while you're sample sizing, because what it'll do is it'll kind of push wicks out up or down and stop intraday traders out and all that good stuff after they've been in profit for a little bit. And you know, that's one thing I would say is it's a bit more aggressive. So spend some time sample sizing it. Like if I were you and I've been trading GU all the time and I wanted to get into trading gold, I would just spend the rest of the year sample sizing gold and setting a goal to start trading it during, you know, next year, 2024. So give yourself time to sample size it. You'll be grateful you did that. You know, it's like taking the time to put something together and put it together properly instead of rushing through it, you know, missing pieces, blah, blah, blah. Now you got to go back and the thing don't look good and you got to rebuild it, right? So if you just actually take the time to sample size the pair with your current strategy, then that's going to be your best bet. And then once the new year comes, you've got 3, maybe even 4 months of sample size data. So you know right away whether it's going to work out for you, you know, over that 3 or 4 months. And now once you are ready to trade it, you're ready to hit the ground running, right? You're not wondering, you're not guessing, you're not testing it out while you have the live capital in the market. You already know everything that you need to know, and now you can start making money and milking profits from gold. So that's what I would recommend on how to really transition well into a new pair. Especially a pair like that's a lot different, gold into GU, a lot different, very, very different. I traded GU for 2 years as well, so I definitely have seen the differences. Radio check, yeah, that's crazy, right? TK's in the house. What up, TK? What up, the Groomsmith? How you feeling, bro? How do I learn your playbook? Do you have any resources for me to learn? I found you yesterday. Oh, awesome. What up, Charlotte? Yeah, so you can, I have a video on the YouTube channel where we talk all about the playbook. I would highly recommend watching that. And if you have any questions, shoot them in the chat here and show up to the streams every day. And this is the playbook, right? Every single day we just display the playbook here. So yeah, as you watch that video, gather questions, get some answers, come here consistently. I think you'll get really familiar with it, and I'm very confident that that you can, you know, up your game in trading by doing those 3 things. Blew my account. Ooh, that's all right. That's okay, man. You know, like even traders that you look up to today, they blow accounts. All the big names, right? Think of the best trader you know. He blows accounts. She blows accounts here and there. It's no big deal. Doesn't invalidate your your status as a trader, right? If you're a profitable trader, it's normal to lose trades here and there. It's, you know, if you get aggressive on accounts, you know, it's normal to sometimes blow them. It's totally fine. Shiro. You stupid, bro. You stupid. All right, so we did get a closure above. We're going to need a bottom wick here. We'll see what happens, right? I think we're just moving on up, so... GJ did close, GJ closed bullish, so that's pretty good. Let's see if we can either create this resistance now for NY Open, or if we want to move back, if we want to continue moving up for NY Open, right? If the 1 hour closes bullish, you may see the pump up, and then maybe towards London close, right? 9:30, 10 a.m., 10:30, you'll see the move back down. Gold continuing off to the races here. How long did it take me to get consistently profitable? Like 2.5 years. Took me some time, man, not gonna lie. Felt like forever too. What do you mean sample sizing? Is that just like back testing? Yes. Yeah, only I like to forward test more than anything and just show up to the charts day in and day out and watch price. Now, if you don't have the time to do that, then what I would say is that you can buy like simulations. You can also back test on TradingView, but I think the live markets are the best ways to learn the markets. But again, if you can't do that, there's other resources. But the bar replay one is good. You can't see how the candle fluctuates. So I really like to watch candles as they open and close and all that good stuff. So that's where the simulator comes in really well. So yeah, I would try and do it that way. Feeling great? I'm feeling great too, bro. Feeling great. I need new friends. Help. Is the Nasdaq celery play? Let's take a look. 15-minute. Let's do a complete rapid fire breakdown on the Nasdaq. So it looks like we closed bearish here on the daily, so I would expect price to move down. Price looks like it attempted to break the lows, but not yet. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with that on the 4 hour. So 4 hours has been moving down. You have a wick to fill. Price created resistance. Looks like we're filling that wick. You've got a very strong support sitting right here. I think if you get a 4 hour close below there, you're going to see some high volume coming down here today on this bearish day. Let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour is doing. 1 hour is looking like it's pulling back. So 1 hour is pulling back a little bit. I think if you can get, again, some sort of a pullback and a resistance formed, then you can continue those sells down on the Nasdaq. I wouldn't necessarily take the buys just yet. Probably look to take buys above here. But anything from, you know, price now to up here may be where the retracement happens. So I would wait for that retracement and take sells coming down, or I would just wait for a closure below this support here for price to continue moving down. Yeah, maybe if this candle had a bottom wick, you could take buys expecting that retracement, but you don't know where that's going to happen, right? That could happen here, right? That could happen here. It could happen here. So, yeah. But someone said something about celery play on the 15. Celery play on what time frame? I don't see it. But anyway, that's what I'll be waiting there for on the Nasdaq. But yeah, if you can get some sort of resistance here, that'd be pretty clean to come back down. Right? You got clean traffic here. Come tap into that support there. What was the biggest factor in you becoming consistently profitable? I'm a year into trading, losing, learning every day. Yeah, I was there. I was losing every single day, pretty much. Once I got extremely picky with the trades I take, that's when things started to change for me. You know, before that, I was just trading everything I seen, every candle. If it looked like it was going up, hey, what the heck, take a buy. If it looks like it's going down, oh, I'm gonna take a sell here, right? So until I really established that playbook and those handful of setups that I would take, I was basically jumping at everything. So once I got disciplined to that playbook and, you know, having those really only 3 setups that I looked for, anything else was noise at that point. You know, I also had money stacked up and I was blowing through it, and I really took, and I had my wife was pregnant with our first child, and at that time I was thinking, I need to get consistent here, right? Like I really need to get it together. So it was a mixture of outside reasons, right, with life and, you know, back against the wall, and also finding those couple setups that I can really stick to and be patient with. And if that didn't show up that day, I didn't take a trade, right? And some days I would just take 1 trade, where before I was taking 5 trades, 6 trades, sometimes 7 trades every New York session. And that's where the losses were coming in. Yeah, I was taking 1 or 2 or 3 wins, but I was taking, you know, a bunch of losses as well, just jumping at volume and stuff like that. So, yeah, so a little bit of outside motivation, off the chart motivation, and as well as really finding that aha moment and understanding that real professional traders, a lot of them only take 1 setup. A lot of them only have 1, maybe 2 setups that they take in the market. And if they don't see that, then they don't trade. So, yeah, that was it. That's what really helped out a lot. And understanding the whole probability game, right? And if I took a loss that day, just call it a day. Because one of my big issues was the revenge trading stuff. So I knew at that point, if I took a loss, I needed to discipline myself and turn my magic keys off. And, you know, I think early on in 2020, Raja got on and he really started preaching, hey, take 1 to 2 trades a day. You want to see success? Is your trading crappy and you want it to be better? 1 to 2 trades a day. And that, for some reason, just stuck with me during that year, and I focused on that. I really did. You could ask the guys I was trading with, like, I focused heavy on that and wanted to make sure I was disciplined, because again, the revenge trading really got me as a beginner, and that was a revenge trading and over trading go together. So I knew I really needed to take the trades down and look for quality trades over quantity trades, and that was going to help me provide for my family, which was that outside why. And yeah, it was just a perfect storm, you know. Perfect time, I appreciate all you have taught me, bro. Oh, man, my pleasure, bro. You're a very good man. You too, Jimmy Lambo. Thanks, bro. Jimmy Lambo in the house. Yeah, maturity has a lot to do with it too. You know, just being mature. And you got to be a mature risk taker, right? A lot of risk takers are gamblers, right? So they're immature. And there's a fine line with trading, right? And gambling and being professional. And one little thing crosses that line, right? One little thing like us taking a buy here, right? And our setup is here, but the entry isn't, right? We need that bottom wick. And now entering off that without actual data that gives you an edge, that's gambling, right? So there's a fine line between being a professional and being a gambler. And you want to walk that line pretty tight. Closing my eyes and buying. There is no strategy. That's the strategy. Can you explain what you mean by celery play and onion? Yeah, so one thing I would recommend is go ahead and watch the playbook video that I have on YouTube. Let me pull it up for you guys so you guys can see or know which one I'm talking about here. So if you go to my channel, just go over to videos, and then there's this playbook video right here where it'll explain in detail what I'm about to just break down for you real quick. So the playbook that I have is built up of 3 or 4 setups, and those setups are the only positions I will take in the market. If it doesn't look like that, then I won't take positions, right? So the first one, just to break it down for you really quick, is going to be like a breakout. So kind of like you've seen on gold, or like you're seeing on gold 30-minute right now, you have this breakout where price closes above a range and there's clean traffic to the left and it's going in your direction. You can take buys coming up after getting yourself a nice bottom wick like that. So that's what we call the breakout. The other position is if let's say we were trending bearish, right? And now we're moving back up to form some sort of resistance. This is what we call the onion play. So the onion play is just a resistance or a support being formed. So let's say we're bearish and price has moved down and now it retraces up. Now we want to take sells off of this onion play. So it's basically just a resistance formed, right? So after you get that top wick, that's our opportunity now to move down. So that's the onion play. And then the celery play is pretty simple, right? It's just basically you get let's say we're bearish on the day, price closes strong below, but let's say it's during a time where there's no volume, right? Let's say this happens at 9 a.m. and we know the majority of the volume is going to come in at 9:30, right? So we close below this range. Awesome. And now we wait for 9:30 to come in, right? So as we wait on this candle that doesn't have much volume, let me just pull this up. We're going to wait and see if this candle will close. And if it closes below the range, whether bullish or bearish, that's going to be your celery play. So what we'll look to do is we'll look to take sells on the break of those lows, right? Because a lot of people are going to buy here, not understanding that price closed below the range and there's high volume coming in. So if that low does break, there's a very high chance price will continue down as that low breaks. So we've this is our favorite setup right here. We've taken advantage of this so many times, right? We actually haven't had have we had a 9? I don't think we've had a 930 celery in quite some time. Yeah, I don't think we've done that. But yeah, so that's basically it, right? That's the moves that we look to take. Just simple breakouts, onion plays, and celery plays. Yeah. And here's your breakout, right? And a lot of times you'll notice that we're looking for volume, right? We're looking for volume in the markets. So we'll wait on that volume, and that's typically when you'll see those bigger candles. Yeah, so this is basically the positions, right? Just look, they look something like this. So that's it. If it don't look like this, I don't touch it. Right? If it's not 1, 2, or 3, I'm staying away, right? If it's not this one or this one, right? 1, 2, oh, what the heck is this? 2. There you go. 1, 2, or 3. Then I'm out of there. Right? I'm not touching this. And that's how you keep trading simple, and that's how you get consistent, right? Where you can start to track things. Because if you're only taking 3 setups, you can really start to track them well, understand when they work the best, what times they work the best, all that good stuff. So yeah, and I learned this whole idea from a few traders, but I really heard a lot about it when I tuned into some traders from the stock market, and they would talk about this all the time, right? They would say, hey, we'll come to the charts, we'll sit around. If our play comes, we'll take it. If not, we just call it a day and move on to the next day. Celery at 9:30. Yo, we haven't had one of those in a minute. It's been a while. Where'd the celeries go? Today's my first day here. It's something I believe I might need. Awesome, man. Awesome, Charlie. Charlie Charles in the house. Any questions you have, you're more than welcome to ask them here. Welcome, my friend. This strategy works for all sessions. Yes, you just got to understand and learn the session, right? So make sure you know what time volume comes in. Make sure you know what the best pair for that session is, right? And then, yeah, the strategy will work. Yeah, so that's it. That's basically what the playbook, the PB, is built up of, right? These 3 setups keep things very simple here. We keep it simple here, man. And these setups here, they'll give you about an 80% win rate, right? You take 100 trades, you're gonna win about 80 of them. You're probably gonna lose 20 of them, somewhere in that range, right? All right, let's go ahead. NY Open is approaching here pretty shortly. Gold is continuing to move on up. No bottom wick for us here on that 30. And pound yen is, yeah, we'll see if we can close bullish here on the 1 hour. What's the win rate? Well, we did the win rate for the year yesterday. I think we said like 77% on the year so far. By the end of the year, that should go up to, the numbers should weigh themselves out to about 80%. RR, anything around a 1-1 is fine for me. Yeah, I forgot. I wanted to total up our pips for the year and see how many pips we've actually gained this year to really put some insight on for you guys, because you guys may see us lose 1 or 2 trades in a row, or you know, you come here and you see us lose a trade or win a trade, but mainly when you see us lose a trade, you have to understand the long-term perspective here, right? You got to understand, and if I showed you guys how many pips we were actually up, even if I just showed you how many just on the 80% closures, your mind will be blown. Your mind will be blown. Oh yeah, yeah. Hopefully a 930 celery. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I said 1-1. Yep. Yeah, how many pips? I'm gonna, unless one of you guys want to do it now, take some time. But if not, I'll do it. I'll do it at some point over this weekend. I'll count everything up. Oh, let's see. Lost 23 funded account. I have 2 more. Oh, are you on a time limit for that account? You haven't reached the 7 days yet? Which 7 days? Is there a time limit or something on that account? What up, Johnny boy? Hold on one sec. Let me get John up here. He's in the house. What's up, everybody in Zoom? Hope you guys are doing good. What up, John?
What up, Nick?
Oh,
how you doing?
Good morning, young man. How you
Bob.
feeling? Hold on, don't talk yet. Don't talk. 1 second. Let me lower this volume. My bad. Okay, talk again.
What's up?
All right, perfect. What's good? How we feeling?
How you doing?
Got that yellow
Amazing.
shirt on today, baby, for Friday. Yellow.
Yes, sir.
Yellow.
Yes, sir, bro.
How you feeling?
Just feeling amazing. Ready to win.
Is there... What was my name? My name is Nick. Oh, what do you got going on here, John? See gold just running?
Yeah, bro. Gold's just pushing, bro.
Gold just saying the hell with all y'all. I'm out of here. If you're in these buys, you're in them.
Seriously. I mean, I would like to see a pullback now at this point, but
yeah,
Gold's gonna do what it wants to do.
30 was clean. If we had a bottom wick, I may have been interested in the 30 here, but nothing. So we'll wait on the NY Open. NY Open may
I was
actually.
looking at that too. In that range.
Yeah. Yeah, NY Open, now that we're really coming up into this area here, may now trickle down a bit. So GJ moving up very nicely. If we can get that resistance, that'd be great. Am I going to reduce my risk? No. No. Nope. Enjoy yourself, brother. Hey, YouTube. Thank you. Just full margin to buy on gold. There you go. Ignore all the fake retracements. We're gonna go 100 lots here today. Who's ready? Invite your friends and family to see us pump 100 lots up here. What's the best funding prop firm you think is trustworthy? I mean, I'm trading with the funded trader, so I mean, I can say that. What time frames do we normally look on? We usually look on like 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. All of them. Pretty much all of them, but we hang out mainly on the 30-minute for the most part. Damn, I didn't even mark up these lines here today. My bad. Yeah, we'll look to take so right here at 375 here. We'll look for the fake out, right, coming back down. If not, we'll take range 2 buys above there, right? Because you got a pretty nice, pretty clean range here. So it's either fake out or range 2 buys above here. Oh, look at this. Okay, okay. Okay. What's the update on the foundation? We're still looking into it. So yeah, but I'll have that all figured out by the weekend. Okay, NY Open is here. So we did close bullish, right? But we also closed rejecting this zone here. So let's go ahead, take a look at what resistance I'm talking about here. This is a pretty decent resistance on the 1 hour time frame. We came up to it, but ended up closing back below it. So 30-minute candle also has no bottom wick. So if we can get some sort of resistance here on the 15-minute time frame, then we can potentially look to take this move back down, right? This is a nice 80, yeah, about 80 pip range here. So there's a nice clean 38 pips ahead of us if we can find something like that up here. So we'll see what happens on the 15 here in 13 minutes. And then as far as pound yen, so GJ is coming back up into this area here as well. I think if we can get that same thing, some sort of 15-minute resistance, then yeah, we could probably move back down. Yeah, so we want gold to come down to move up. We want GJ to move up to come down. That's what we're looking for here. What up, Shad? Good morning, bro.
Morning, Chad.
Alexandru's in the house. What up, Alexandru? Nice job, Cam. Nice job, bro. Beautiful. Let's see. On GJ is not a big concern that the previous daily no bottom wick, so we just came to give it one now. Oh, let's take a look. Previous daily. Yeah, it has a very small bottom wick. Yep, I see that. Yeah, that's why I'm open for these range 2 buys as well. If this isn't gonna move down, and it is gonna move bullish, I'm definitely open for these buys as well. A lot of clean traffic up here, right? Clean candles here on the 1 hour, and also clean candles above here. So yeah, definitely open to that. I think this was our bottom wick. So yeah, we'll see if we remain below 375 here, then I think price will continue down to retest that support there and this one here. But if we do end up moving above and trading above, then yeah, I can definitely be open for the buys here. Time for a new strategy? No, never. Nope. Yeah, you want to stick with things that are going to pay you long term. Right? This strategy has been paying long term, so there's nothing really to... Maybe some little minor tweaks and adjustments that we'll learn on the day-to-day, but other than that, just pretty simple strategy. Pretty high win rate as well. My bad. $1,900. Let's see, TK. How much percentage do I risk per trade? I was using fixed lots the majority of the year up until about a week ago. So now I'm just going to risk like 2 to 2.5% per trade. Pretty high win rate, but negative RR, which more important, one loss wipes out. Yeah, maybe in the last like month or two, but go ahead and tally up all of our stats here and you'll see how profitable it is. Go ahead and just add up the positive pips, subtract the negative ones. Do that throughout the course of these couple months, which is really the most important thing. I never look at a day or a week. I look at what am I making this year, right? What am I making this quarter? So go ahead, take a look at it, add them all up, do the math, and you'll see how profitable this strategy is. Yeah, that's really only when we hit full stops, which is pretty rare. Where's the spreadsheet? You can exclamation point journal, I believe it is. Yeah, exclamation point journal. And you can click that link and that'll bring you to the spreadsheet. And if one of you guys want to add these pips up and subtract the negative pips, let me know. Yeah, because if you look here, like let's say this is negative 14. Okay, let's just wash this trade here. All right, and this one's negative 18. Let's just wash that one. And this one's negative 29. All right, let's just wash these two. And now the rest of them, and the 15 one. And now the rest of them are all profit. Right? So go ahead and count up the pips. And these are just the pips we close 80% at. So do it from this column. Don't mind the close 40. These are just runners and stuff, which adds more money onto the table. But just so you can really see, right? Because if you come here and you just see us take a loss or something, you're like, oh man, these guys are crappy traders here. But yeah, go ahead, look at the record, count up the pips. Understand every trade here was opened on a 10 lot, so y'all do the math since you're so curious and let me know the number. Look at GJ. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, nice. So, yeah, let's see if we can get resistance here. Very nice, very nice. Thank you, Nick Nightbot. No payouts since June, though. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not worried about that. Got payouts January, February, March, April, May, all of last year, so it's really not that big of an issue for me. June, was June the last payout? Yeah, it may have been. How do we get access to it? The link is up top there. Yeah, just scroll up a little bit in the chat. You'll see the link. The strategy has turned my trading around. My trading, oh nice, perfectly fits my personality. Yeah, you want a strategy that's going to fit your personality best. Let's go, Earl. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. GJ shorts? Possibly. Yep, possibly. Can we use the template? Yeah, you guys can use it. Just hit file, go to make a copy, and then you guys can delete what I have there and start tracking your own trades. Highly recommend that too. Oh, nice, Nikki. Oh, Nikki. Good stuff. Fire, fire. Oh, here we go. Let's see. February 108 pips. March 285 pips. April plus 172 pips. May 200 pips. June 215 pips. July, which was a bad month, and August, which were rough months, plus 31 pips in July on our crappy month, and negative 10 in August. So yeah, there you go. Thank you, Storm Player. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
What's up?
And you guys also have to understand, like, I'm not here to put on a show for you guys, right? I've got nothing to prove to you guys, right? I've already retired my wife, retired myself. We hang at home with our kids. We live the life we want to live. I'm not trying to prove to you that I'm a guru trader, right? I'm not trying to prove that I'm the best guy, that I'm the most profitable guy. It doesn't matter to me. I'm here to teach you, help you grow, and make you better. That's it. Not even here to make you feel good. I'm here to make you better. So that's my only job, right? That's what I've been called here by the Lord to do. You guys are just the people the Lord put here, right? So that's the other thing that goes to it. Like, most people won't even show you their record, right? But we show everything here because we've really got nothing to prove, right? We're playing with house money at this point in life, gang. Life is good.
Thanks.
Praise God, man. This isn't between you and I. This is between me and God, right? This is something I've been called to do. So it's not like I'm trying to prove something to y'all. You dig? Time to entertain. Yeah. Yeah, gold moving up. Let's see GJ2 here coming back down, which is nice. I'll listen to your interview with Calvin. Really good. Oh, nice. Academy of Underdogs podcast. Looks like you have a podcast yourself. Nice, nice. Bro, traders won't stream. Yeah, good luck finding a trader that will even stream for y'all. I was watching a Q Banks Q&A. Someone said, yo, why don't you do some more live trading? He said, hell nah. You think I'm going to stress myself out for y'all? So good luck even finding your gurus that'll trade live in front of you. So just appreciate what you have here, man, because you have an opportunity to learn and grow. And, you know, take advantage of that. That's why I'm here. I really want to see traders get on with it, right? And I don't care that you guys see my losses and stuff because this is the real deal, right? This is this is how it goes down. The guy who you think never loses, this is what he does too, right? He'll win, he'll lose, he'll win, he'll lose, right? But yeah, nothing to prove, man. Hey, what's up, Jacob? How to clear all the data from the journal. Just you gotta click, let me show you. Come up here to make a file, or come up here to file and then hit make a copy. And then once you hit make a copy, you should be able to delete everything and then you know, add stuff in for yourself. Man's talking like the trading prophet. The trading prophet.
Mhm.
I'm here to take y'all to the promised land.
It was a trading profit. Oh,
That's my name. Don't wear it out. I'm a messenger sent by the Lord. Y'all coming to the promised land with me. The grateful ones appreciate me. Oh, yeah, no, I know. So many good people here, man.
okay.
So many good people. I have friends all around the world now from this live stream. So pretty cool. Yeah, man, I've already won. I've already won in life, man. I am truly playing with house money at this point. Oh, what are we going to close with? No bottom wick here on the 15. Oh, we did get a bottom wick here. All right. So let's see if we can get a top wick on the 15. If not, we may have to wait for the 30 minute. But this may be where GJ decides to continue down now. Yeah, it would actually be really nice to see the 4-hour close too. 4-hour closure. And what did gold do on the 15? Just closed another bullish candle here. Yeah. Oh, Annabelle, that's awesome. Yeah, we've heard that many times, and it's really no surprise, right? I've heard many stories about just very similar to that. Oh, look, same here. Wow. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's see if we can get this top wick up here. Probably looking to see top wick somewhere right in this range here. A duo trio stream, you, Don, and Lorenzo would be hella litty. Hey, we had Don did one before. Maybe we'll get them guys. I'll see if we can get them guys on our 24 hours or our big stream that we're gonna do for 24 hours. Gonna try and get a couple of friends on that stream. What did I do before trading? I was building marketing, network marketing companies, online businesses, all that good stuff. Yeah, 15 closed below here. Still waiting for somewhat of a top wick. Worst case, we wait for the 30 and take it down at 8:30 here. Oh, I am 7th. Nice, nice. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream here today and you're taking some knowledge or wisdom, or you're getting something and learning anything from the stream, if you guys could give the stream a like here today and sub to the channel, that would be awesome. That would pretty much make my day here. Yeah, pretty much. What do we have here? 1,300 watching, 300 likes. So that means 1,000 of you are jipping on the likes here today. What's going on? Please. See, even Nightbot wants you to give the stream a like. John, you want him to give the stream a like?
Yes, sir. Like it up, chat.
Yeah, I think waiting on the 30-minute here on pound yen is gonna be our best bet. Yeah, maybe we get like a 15 celery, 30-minute onion. The names are too funny, man. Oh, there we go. 449. Can we get 500 now real quick? Dope, dope, dope. Tell the market, dump it. Dump. Yo, Storm Player and everyone else that was gathering. Oh, we got comics here. Everyone else that was gathering that those stats up, I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you. It's good to. I wanted to tally that up here too this weekend, so appreciate y'all. That really quieted down the chat there. It's like a statement, you know. Just give me my money. Tell him bring me my money. Raja, man, yeah, Raja's a different animal, man. Raja's chilling too because he's up during the London session, so he's got time to trade. And that's where especially the last 2 or 3 days, the move really started ramping up during London. Comics. Let's see here. You should see volume on this 5-minute candle here. Those were the stats without runners. Sheesh. Tell him, bring me my money. Yeah, as you guys know, that whole run there was on a live 100K account with 10 lots opened. So y'all do the math, and then maybe you can understand why I'm cool with going a month or two without making any money. God did. Close your eyes and bind. Yeah, that's the best that's the best strategy here today. Just once you woke up, just hit buy and go back to sleep. That's it. What do you mean by half risk and full risk? That was basically I was using throughout all those trades I was using 10 lots on gold and GJ, and half risk would have been like 5 lots. Sometimes you'll see like 8 lots in there. So sometimes it was like 8 lots, but anything under 10 I just marked as half. I don't think there's many half in there though. Yeah, all full for the most part. A couple half. Yeah, half here and there. Couple halves every month. Damn, son. Yeah, this is your... Oh, look. Closed doji there at 820. Patience, patience, patience. Patience, patience. I want to be profitable trader so I can give most away and serve my community. There's a lot of needs all around us. There really is, you know, and we spend a lot of our profits doing that type of stuff as well. And it's so worth it, man. It's so worth it just to solve the money problem, right? Because how many of you guys want to give, but you just can't, right? You want to give it, but you feel that if you give it, it would take away from you. Honestly, I've got news for you. When me and my wife were at our lowest, we started giving. And for some reason, some random reason, right? It was multiplied. And it just kept coming in, doubling and tripling as we continue to give and as we continue to, you know, take what we had or the blessing that we had and blessed other people with it. And all of a sudden, man, things started rolling in our favor in our finances. But, you know, how many of you guys would just like to give just to help someone out, man? You see someone in need. Maybe it's a family member. Maybe it's a friend, right? Maybe it's just some random person on the street and you would love to help, but you think, I can't do that, you know? Why is money determining where our heart goes, right? So that's why money's not important, but it's so important to solve the money problem, so that way you can stop thinking about it on every decision you make, because whether you know it or not, most decisions, gang, and you could think about it, are based around money, right? I can do this or I can't, based on how much money's in your bank account. So God don't want you living like that, right? Let's get the money problem solved so we can go out and take our mind off of that and start having others focused, right? Centering our ideas on what we can do for others. And you'll do a lot of great things for yourself too, right? Take away that money problem. You'll be able to pay your bills, buy new things, whatever, right? But we were talking about giving there. So just to be able to give and have it not affect you in any way, shape, or form is one of the coolest things that I've experienced. We got to move the screen now here on gold, man. Gold's
Freaking gold, man. Last 3 candles, no bottom mix, like just driving.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said yesterday, money's not good or bad. It just takes on the characteristic of the person who has it. Money is a tool. That's all it really is. It's a tool. How well will you steward it, right? $30-minute onion on GJ? Yes. Yep. Yeah, lock it in here, chat. We may be taking this GJ position here in a couple seconds. So, yeah, we've got a 30-minute closure. Yeah. Stops will be kept above the previous 30-minute high. TP is going to be more so down here, but our original TP is going to be right around this wick fill here. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here. Let's see if we can get the closure we were looking for, and yeah. That'll be our call. We're gonna need a little bit of a top wick, obviously, and then we'll place our sell stops. All right, let's see if we can get the top wick here. Beautiful, beautiful. Learning, baby. That's awesome. Okay, there it is. So there's the top wick. So I'm going to have sell stops here on the break of the lows here on pound yen. Yeah, that's going to be the trade. And yeah, see if it works out.
You got current lows?
Yeah, I got current lows here. Yeah, stops are going to be chilling above the previous candle highs here, and entry is going to be on the break of these lows right here. Going to look to hold for this wick fill here. May move stops to break even right around that that support level there as well. So sell stops on the break of the 30-minute lows here.
Creating resistance on a bearish day. Where else could we be going?
Yep, playbook setup here. You got price had moved down, right? Closed below, came back up, rejected that previous support zone, created this resistance. 4 hours, 1 hour is looking to create a resistance as well. 4 hours very bearish. 30-minute breaks to lows. You should see a push down here. Very simple playbook position. We drew this out a little bit earlier as one of our 3 setups. Nice top wick here. So yeah, if we break these lows, you should see a nice drive down. Stops are going to be sitting above these previous candle highs up here. Gold is ripping. Sheesh. Gold on a tear here today. Gosh and golly. Look at this 4-hour monster here. Wow. Holy.
No bottom wick again.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that. Why the current lows are not the previous ones? You can keep them on the previous ones. They're about, what, 6 pips away? So, yeah, the main reason for the current ones is that we're using previous stops. What you can do also is you can, so this is what my position is going to look like. Stops will be above here, and then TP somewhere down here. But if you like, you can enter on the break of the lows, and then keep your stop above current candle high. It's all up to you. Either move is pretty decent here. If we don't get activated by like 840 here, then we're gonna delete this and wait for the 4-hour candle. Wow, gold is really running up here. Man, this 4 hours, that's a juicer right there. That's a juicer. Wow.
Juicer.
Cheers. Something happening in the world. To the moon.
That's juice right there.
It's like, yeah. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait on the 4 hour here. So as we're moving into 8:45 here, let's delete this. Let's wait for the 4 hour candle to close and revisit this idea. I think the 4 hour closure below is gonna give us much more confirmation anyway. At this point, right? We don't want to get entered in on the last 15 of the 4 and start pulling back, right? Going back into the range. So let's do that, and let's wait on this candle here. Yeah, 1 hour resistance would be awesome too, right? So we got the 30, we got the 15, but if we get a 1 hour resistance, that'll be lovely.
That'll be even better and stronger.
Yeah. Can't see the position. Yeah, my bad. Let me adjust that. All right, lovely. Lovely. Raja is still holding? Oh, dang. Sheesh.
Yeah, that 1 hour pound yen seems like it wants to pull back a little bit too.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, our best confirmation here is going to be the 4 hour. 4 hour close below.
Honestly, the higher we create resistance, the better.
Yeah. Yeah, because what goes up must come down, right? At some point. So, yeah. Where are we headed here on the 1 hour? Get ready to press sell. Get ready to press sell at 8:45. Give me one moment. I'll be right back.
You've been holding gold since Sunday? Nice. Nice. How many pips you up now? I know you guys are foaming hard right now. I mean, can't FOMO when gold hasn't even gave me an entry, meaning they haven't even created bottom wicks on those candles. At this point, honestly, for me to be comfortable getting in a trade with gold, I would love to see a pullback with support forms, even though I know gold could still drive the rest of the session. That's what I personally like to see to be comfortable getting in gold. But gold can continue. Gold could just drive the rest of the session. You know, like it doesn't care what I think. That's facts E4.
Wow. Yeah, this was Raja's entry right here. Damn. I don't know where his stop was, but I know that was his entry. Sheesh. Yo.
Where is he still in it?
I think so. Maybe 1920 was his.
About that resistance.
Which one?
The left. I love how he just lets it rock. Like,
oh yeah. Yeah, that 4-hour close, man. That told you the whole story. Told you the whole story.
Raja's the GOAT. It's facts.
He controlled the market. He runs it. Oh, nice, Cam. That's where you got in? Oh, fire. Good stuff. That's a good move right there. Raja, he doesn't. I don't think he streams too much anymore. Yeah, he's reached new levels. He used to stream though. He's earned it.
And he was like the first streamer, low-key, right? Big streamer.
Yeah, he was the first guy really doing it pretty big. Set the tone for a lot of people to follow.
Thanks.
$8.45 approaching. Do we get a pullback here? I think we may get a pullback. Yeah, look, five has already given us signs of the pullback. Four hours staying below here. 30-minute never broke highs either, which was nice. One hour should close bearish here. Yeah, setting up pretty nice. How did I know he's in a position? I just seen him post it on IG. Why don't you trade the 845 candle? Because it's typically we see this 845 candle, the last 15, pull back on the 4 hours. That's why I was saying like sells may be in play, because you may see a nice pullback here on this 4 hour candle. Yeah, you see 5 closed, bear, 15 may move down here. Yeah, GJ's looking pretty good. Yeah, 4-hour wick fill. Yup. Yup. I would love to see this 1-hour closed bear as well. Because this new 4-hour on GJ may not give you the steepest top wick. If we're going to respect the 1-hour highs like we are, 30-minute highs and all that, we may not get the steepest top wick on this new 4-hour candle. Yeah, I wish I lived somewhere where I can trade the London session more consistently. Because as I was saying to you guys earlier this month, is Q4 will tend to bring the moves back, right, in the London and Asian. Notice how they were all very quiet over the summer, and New York as well, not too much going on. But now that Q4 is back or here, that's when you're going to start to see the markets ramp up in these other sessions. Move to Portugal?
On the move to Asia.
Come to Asia? me in the London. Yeah. What up, Corey? It's good, bro. Corey in the house.
Yo, what's up, Corey?
Yeah, if I lived in a different place, I would probably just trade London and New York, and that'd be my 8-hour workday. New York, I only get to have a 4-hour workday. Australia. Shout out to all my friends in Australia.
Like Friday night, right? Right now in Australia? Or like
right now in Australia, it is creeping on like 1 a.m.
Damn, so they're in the future.
They're in the future.
We're in the past. Crazy, dog.
Crazy. What up, Nick? Grateful for the stream every day, brother. Hey. Mr. Volatility. Let's go. $10 a.m. Damn, yeah, that'd be nice. 2 a.m. in New Zealand. Wow. Shout out to you guys up at 2 a.m. That's what's up. That's like me trading the London session there.
That's what's up for sure.
Wakanda?
Oh, sure. Sleep's underrated, I think. It's debatable.
Gino in the house. What up, Gino? Hey, by the way, if you guys like the interview that we did on the Forex Beginner podcast, you got to thank Gino for that. W in the chat. Gino set that up. Appreciate you, bro. Good to see you here today.
Up, Gino?
Gino was the bridge there, man. Wakanda. Yeah, South Africa. London, 8 a.m. New York, 2 p.m. Sheesh. That's what it's probably like in heaven. Traders in heaven. All right, 9 minutes, gang. 9 minutes for all 4-hour closures. This 15 doesn't seem to be pulling back just yet. Gold is on an absolute tear, man. What do you think, John? We move? We move out the States?
I think so. I think so.
We find some better trading times? How often do you do the streams? Every day, Monday through Friday. Is that why Unique moved to London? Oh yeah, Unique, yeah. Is that why you moved to London, Unique? To have better trading hours?
Pretty smart.
She's all in. If we have enough people in London, maybe in the beginning of 2024 we'll do a London meetup or something. I'll have to. Oh, actually, we're having a baby in late January. So maybe in March. Yeah. I'm gonna try to set that up. Yeah, because I would like to bring my wife, but that may be a little too close. Just had a baby yesterday. Oh, nice. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Awesome. Let's go. Making humans out here.
Nick, you ready, man, for that third one?
We ready. We ready. Do you have a Discord group? Yeah, we do. Yeah, ! Discord. Congratulations. Oh, thanks, guys. Looking for a wife? Time to make
Manifest
human.
it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have a lot of people from London. Hey, just had a son on August 12th. Congratulations. Congrats. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Some people are market makers. Some people are baby makers. From Kent? Oh, 40 minutes outside of London? Yeah. What's the deal in Paris? What's going on in Paris about all these bugs? You guys heard about that, or is that fake news?
What bugs?
Make humans great again.
Facts.
And some people are still Signal. It's okay, Shiro. We're gonna get you out of Wakanda land soon. Find you a wife on planet Earth. Bugs? Bed bugs in Paris, bro. What's the deal?
What bugs are in Paris? Like, that you seen?
Bed bugs. Banks holding, yo, my man holding 125 lots. Shee. What platform do I place trades on? MT5. VW. Hey, you guys in other countries, whenever you seen like a, what was it, a Volkswagen Bug, right? Oh no, yeah. I forget what those cars were called, man. They were like Beetle, Bug. I forget what they were called, but you guys ever did the punch buggy, no punch back thing? Y'all remember that? Punch buggy, no punch back. That was a 90s thing. John, you did that or no?
Nah, bro.
Yeah, that was a 90s thing.
Oh wait, well, yeah, maybe in like early elementary school.
You'd be sitting there in the car on the ride to like the movie theater, the video game shop. All of a sudden, dude, your buddy to the left just punches you right in the arm. Straight dead arm. Punch buggy red, no punch back. Like, what, dude? I'm just supposed to let this just fly?
Made that up.
This is legal? Y'all remember that, right? Beetle bug, same thing, yeah.
Nah, I do remember that.
Alrighty. 3 minutes and 40 seconds left for the 4-hour closure. All right, so the plan here for gold, we gotta wait for gold. GJ's looking pretty good for a 4-hour wick fill here. So would like to see this 1-hour candle close bearish. That would be best, right? If we can get that candle to close bearish. If not, then we may see a steeper top wick come up and break the 1-hour high here to continue up a little bit, right? To give this new 4-hour candle a steeper top wick. That would be fine as well. And then we'll just wait for a new resistance right around this area and then take price down. So again, we do have a new 4-hour open. I don't like to jump on the 4-hour the first 1 or 2 minutes. Let's give it just a little bit of time to breathe, open up, create a top wick, do its thing, and then we'll see if we could take advantage of this 35 pip wick fill here. Looking good though, looking pretty good. Two minutes. 2 minutes. Let's see if gold can move up and close right at this resistance here. And then we can kind of anticipate our move back down. First time here, welcome, welcome. The Sports Beats. But GJ's looking like the sooner play here. So we'll keep an eye on pound yen and see what's offered to us. I just want some pips. Yeah, me too. Me too. I'm with you. I'm with you.
They'll come.
All right. Do you have a course? This is pretty much the course. Just live, free live trading. All right, cool. So 4-hour candle has opened up. We need a top wick, right? We need a top wick. We need price to come up a little bit here. 15 or 30 minute did close bullish, which is pretty good, right? If we break those lows, we've got a celery play / onion / breakout here. But I do want to see a top wick, right? We need to respect the high of that 1 hour candle. Definitely not going to jump on this right away in the first 30 seconds here. I need to see some sort of a top wick. Yeah, 4 hour just opened up here. I did London for a month in Cali. Brutal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. West Coast is real. I don't like what I'm afraid to go back to the West Coast here because the times are chalked. Okay. Yeah, so if we can get a top wick here, that's our entry point, right? That low that price just created, that's going to be our opportunity to enter, right, for the wick fill. So let's see if we can come up now and make a top wick for the 4 hour candle. We're only 3 minutes in here, so I want to see a top wick here. Yeah, if it drives, it drives. Yeah, we need to stop. We need to see some sort of a top wick to move up. 4 hour candle gave us a 2 pip top wick. So not really buying into that. Let's see if we get a steeper one. And let's see where gold decides to move down to. So obviously everything closed bullish here on gold. If we can start getting some bearish confirmations here, then we may be good to catch a move back down, right? Or we may just consolidate, create support, and just keep shooting up. So we'll see. Where's Sam? Sam's busy. Sam had something to do here today, so he should be in the chat or something pretty soon. I know he was out of his house here today. He's busy on a Friday. Yeah, all I really want to see is this high break and then us move up just a few more pips here. That's all. Remember I said we probably won't get a steep wick, but I do want to come back in this range here. Sam's pushing price up, yep. Yeah, he's cleaning his Aspen crib, yep. He's got a busy cleaning day ahead of him. Nah, I was just talking to Sam about half hour ago. He's the one that called me. Who's in? Who's in the GJ cells? Talk to me. He's busy with his 3 girl. Nah, Sam don't roll like that. You guys are in. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. If we come back up, I'll be in with you guys. Oh, looks clean too. You got like a 30-minute seller here. If this was a new like 30-minute or 1-hour candle, I would say yes, but new 4-hour candle, only giving us 2 pip top wick. Yeah. Let's see how gold rolls here over the next 8 minutes. GJ on London was great. Yeah, gold today and GJ on London were fire. Fire. Yeah, I think there was only one position for me on gold today. Or during one position that I would have taken in London. I believe it was on the 1 hour. Yeah, right here. So when you had this candle close above, I would have probably taken this buy here. Yeah, and then just left runners in. Looks like runners would have ran too. Never came back towards break even or nothing. So yeah, if you guys took those buys in London, awesome. How come everyone uses GJ? I'm not too sure. I don't know. How would I have taken the buys? I would have taken them probably off the break of the highs, keeping stops below the lows, and yeah, looking left, it was super clean traffic coming up, so there really wasn't much in the way here. So no surprise why gold just ran. Sheesh. But look, you see how it ran up? See how price runs down too? So again, you'll catch a move down here as well. Why is it so hard for me to accept my losses in trading? I keep blowing my accounts because of that. You probably think you're probably in the mindset that real successful traders don't lose. So every time you lose, you think, what the heck, you know, and you try and get it back. But you got to understand that traders lose trades, man. Like even the best traders, you know. But what they're really good at is staying composed under the pressure or under the loss and not forcing any more trades, because I could almost guarantee that the blown accounts, they don't come from that original loss. Most times they're going to come from the revenge trading that takes place after that original loss. So if you could understand that a loss is totally fine, traders experience it all the time, more than you know, right? Because they won't show you this stuff, but they experience losses all the time, trust me, right? So getting right and redefining what a loss means, I think that'll point you in the right direction, especially in terms of your mentality. And then if you can understand what I'm saying here, don't revenge trade, right? If you take a loss, do like I did. I had to train my brain, train my mind to settle down. So what I would do is if I took a loss, that was my day. That was my day. I was done. I'd close my MT5, close my my charts down. Maybe I would still continue to observe TradingView just to watch candles. But other than that, no more trading. So maybe try something like that. And again, just redefine what a loss really is. It's really not a big deal. Yeah, GJ giving us nothing here, man. Cold shit going.
Candles are just driving today. Yes.
Yeah, if this wasn't a new 4-hour candle, if it was just a new 1-hour candle, I wouldn't mind holding that previous 1-hour stop. But with the new 4-hour candle, you were likely to at least come back up, right? At least just up until like 18 or 182.370. But that didn't happen here. Just a small top wick and goner. Yeah, on the 30, it looks clean too. You had that celery play. So beautiful setup here, right? 30-minute celery, 1-hour onion, 4-hour breakout. Just wanted to see a little bit of a better top wick there. But everything else lined up very well. So if you guys took this, congrats. Good luck as you're moving down here. Yeah, we knew this move would happen, right? Originally, we had the sell stops right there on the break of the lows, so now it's playing out very well. $15-minute candles on gold. All 15-minute candles are closing here in 2 minutes. We don't need a top wick for the celery play. Yes, that's correct. And that's why you probably seen that move come down. But when that's all gathered together with the new 4-hour candle, you know, you really want to see some sort of a top wick, right, on the new 4-hour. Because remember, this candle's 4 hours long. So for it to create a 2-pip top wick in the first minute and then start moving down is a bit sketchy, right? Bit sketchy. But if you took it, good job. You know, good job. I just ignoring the 4-hour whatever top wick kind of would have probably helped there. Did you take it, John?
No, I didn't. I also wanted to see a steeper top wick, just because of the 4-hour.
Yeah. Yep. How is it a celery?
I mean, that's what we were anticipating. So.
Yep, exactly. Celery on the 30 right here. Celery play. Tap it into that support now and should go ahead and fill that wick down there. Nice. All right, 15 is going to close up. 15 on GJ, close with no bottom wick. I would secure positions on GJ if I was in that trade right there, right at support, and got no bottom wick. So maybe leave your runners now. But that's where I would secure partials, is right there at that support. And then gold closed, yeah, no bottom wick as well here. Took 20 on GJ, nice. Good. Oh, nice, Donald, yeah, cool.
Yeah, nice, Donald.
For me, I look at these as opportunities, honestly, just to practice discipline. Yeah. So I'm happy I knew the direction, right? I'm happy I anticipated where price moved. And I'm also pretty happy I got to display discipline as well and continue to groove that habit in my brain on, you know, how to be disciplined. This is no wick needed for entries day. You may have a point there. No wicks needed.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Made 17 pips. Awesome. Yeah, perfect. I'm with you, Nick. Wasn't the wick for me also? Yeah. YOLO. YOLO.
Yeah, when you're not 100% confident in a trade, you would always rather wish you were in it instead of wishing you were out of it. Definitely.
Or wishing you were out of it instead of wishing you were in it.
Well, yeah, that. Nah, I rather wish I was in it instead of wishing I was out of it.
You're right.
I want to be in the trade, wishing I was out. I'd rather be out of the trade, wishing I was in.
That's true. Like, man, I wish I was in. Right? That's the worst that happened here. Is,
no
man,
money lost.
I wish I was in that. But had we gotten in and broke the plan a little bit, and then price comes up to make a steep top wick, I'd be wishing I was out of it. So, yeah, it is a tongue twister.
Definitely a tongue twister.
If gold makes a resistance at 930, would you consider getting in? Yes. Yes. Yeah, this is good. Possible onion. Yeah, we'll see about the onion on gold here. Damn, son. 76 pips up there.
Yeesh.
Too many times I got into a trade impulsively and was stomped out. Practicing discipline because there will be other opportunities. Yeah, that's a good mindset to have, bro. Yep.
Sir.
Yep. Gotta keep it real. Chased trades this week. Gone. Oh, 70% gone. Yeah, that's okay, man. As long as you're learning the lessons within this, I feel like every trader runs through that path a little bit. Not every trader, but a lot of them. Took a less size position. Nice. Yeah, you could do that also. Yep. No, you're correct. If you're not 100% confident, but you still believe in the direction and all that good stuff, you just lower down your risk and see how it plays out. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how the 30-minute closes here on pound yen as well. You've got that support there, but below it is a pretty clean, decent move down. But hey, we called that reversal from earlier today, right? 182 400 up there. That's where we got those rejections from, and price started moving down from there. Yeah, very nice onion here. Oh, nice. I'm in compensation now, up 30K in just one day. Beautiful. 30K days are awesome. I think my biggest day in my businesses prior was I think it was like 18,000 in one day. 30K is good. Gold seems sketchy now. Gold seems sketchy all day. Just moving on up. Moving on up in life. But what goes up must come down. Will we see that happen today? I'm not too sure, but we'll keep an eye on it here. Let me get some more water, use the bathroom. I think we have 7 minutes left for the 30 closure. Yeah, so yeah, give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
From 1873, but sold at 1899, made 9K. Still regretting now. Oh, well, good job of making the 9K. But you don't want to be regretting anything. You get in a trade. Are you gonna hold your position, or? I wouldn't. If I was regretting a trade while being in it, I wouldn't want to be in it. That is the mental game in trading. Yeah, facts, Red Bull. Trading is honestly 80%, maybe even 90%. It's like psychology, right? Like that's how it's so important mentally, and it's tough mentally. It can be tough on the psyche, right? It tests with a lot of things. It tests with discipline, patience, taking losses. Like not many people are okay with losing money, right? So it really works on your psyche. Yeah, patience is one of the key of a successful trader. Yep, patience and discipline. So important. Because every system, right? Every system out there can be profitable, but can you be patient and disciplined to your system?
I sat through 2 ads to see this kid talk lame. Have a good weekend. Yeah, no one successful would ever type something like that. When are we wifing up? What are you doing this weekend? Ah, good question. Good question. We'll see what's on the schedule here. Not too sure. I don't think I have any major plans today. Yeah, Legendary T's comment just screams, I am not successful. Come on, man.
Bunch of haters, man.
I guess once I start my challenge, I'll have to start going to bed around 4 a.m. Yo, I'm kind of mad I didn't trade the London session last night myself. Yeah. Hey, Nick, can't wait for the Nuggets today? Yes, sir. I'm looking forward to it, bro. Show me the money. I'm out at 1906. Nice. Good job. 1916. Dope. Shiro, what's wrong? Shiro. All right, will we get closures below? Gold's on auto drive. Yo, what's gold gonna do here? Remember, 4-hour did close bullish here, right? So price could still move on up. Could still move on up here today. But 30-minute candle is gonna close here in 1 minute. Oh, it's like 2 minutes here. It helps watching you not take trades. Yeah, let's see what gold wants to do here. IKEA boy, what up, bro? Yeah, so let's see how this 30 minutes is going to close here in 45 seconds. Maybe open to, if we get a top wick, to take these sells. I want to see the 15 highs break here, right? Break the highs of the 15, little pack runner, and then come down here. So let's see. We should have volume coming in here at 9:30. 15's moving bearish, but you never know here, right? We may create support as well to move up. So we got to keep an eye here. I'm only going to set the sell stops if we break the 15 highs here. All righty. So new 30-minute candle is here. Let's see if we can break this high. And then we'll set sell stops here. Yeah, because if we break this high and then come down and break the low, that's most likely going to push us down. But if we break this high, right, we may want to create support here. So we don't want to enter on the flip. We want to see the highs break and then enter on the break of the low. And pound yen is, oh yeah, we did close below here on GJ as well. Yeah, same thing. Close right at support here on the 30. No bottom wick. Yay. Let's keep an eye on gold here. Yeah, stops maybe. Yeah, stops would be pretty. 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips. Yeah, we may so we may make a top wick for this previous candle, and if we break those lows there, there's a really good chance price will move down a bit more towards like 1898. But if we remain bullish and we create a support, then price will most likely move up at 945 here. So this candle has a lot going on right now. A lot of decision making in this candle here. Wick entry on the break of the high. There you go. Yeah, maybe try and enter there. Stops up here. Even though no trades, still learned a lot. Got to go to work soon. Alrighty. Mini bike life. Later, bro. Alright, so let's see. I think, what did we say? 50 pips? Yeah, 50 pips, man. Yeah, 50 pip stops are a little too steep. We'll wait on the 15 here. Because if this 15 creates support, man, where are we going? Right, most likely going to move back up here. Let's go, Cam. Let's go, Cam. Minute looks good. Yeah, you see the pack runner there. Let's see, man. Let's see. 30-minute, we should have volume here, right? But if we're not going to get the volume at 9:30, we should get it in 10 minutes at 9:45. So what we can do here is we can wait on this 15, and if it closes bullish, creating support, we know we can take our buys moving up. If it's going to close weak bullish or even bearish, then we know that price may want to come down and move down to retrace here. So I think the 15 tells a major story. We're going to sit tight and see where we're at on the closure here. TK. Yeah, now GJ moving up, hourly candle pulling back after retesting that support, trying to fill that wick there on the 4 hour. Will we come up and make a steeper top wick now? We'll see. We will see. My new book should be here today. Oh. Hey, y'all got to read Extreme Ownership. Especially all you Quakers out here. You got to read this book, Extreme Ownership. Great book. By the man Jocko. This is not a paid promotion. What does the term onion mean? Just think of onion meaning support or resistance. That's all it really is. One of the best books I ever read. Yes, sir. You all got to watch the playbook video. Check out the playbook video while you're at it. What does the book look like? Right here. Extreme Ownership. You guys will never quake again. This book will get you quake free. Man, my kids throwing my books around, taking the covers off them. Are we bullish or bearish on gold? We are technically bullish. That's why I'm going to wait for this 15 to close. Why not the 15 flip? Yeah, there's reasonings for it, but there's also, remember, we're very bullish here today. So if this is the support that we want to make, on the 15, and that's going to be the support, right? So although the 30 did close bearish, looks good to come down, I want to wait this 5-minute candle out so we can see, is this candle going to close below the range here, indicating that the 15-minute is now flipping bearish and moving down, breaking the low, or are we going to move up here and create support for the next candle to drive up, right? Looking something like this. So that's what we want to determine, whether or not this next 5 minutes actually going to close below the range, or will the 15 now close bullish, giving us a new support for price to move up. Kids are the blessing. Yeah, kids are the blessing. See, every time I gotta put my books back, I get to think of my lovely kids and how grateful I am. And that one day, there ain't gonna be no covers to put back on the books, right? Because they're gonna be all grown up doing their own things. Same thing when I step on them stupid toys, man. You know what? Embrace the pain, Nick. The kids are gonna grow up one day and move on out. There won't be any toys to step on.
That's a great way to look at it.
What would be even better here would be a actual celery after the pack runner, and then we have a legit stop, right? Because we already went up there and made that wick. Yeah. And then freedom. Bye, kids. I just subbed. Oh, nice, nice. Thanks. Yeah, come by every day. You hope my kids are 26 and 33 are still at home. Oh, slam dunk. You got to get them on the live streams here. You got to get them on the live streams. We'll get them out of the house for you. Recommended funded broker right now would be the funded trader. Those are the ones I'm using. So yeah, that's probably the one I would recommend. Can you show us what news is at 10? Yeah, if you guys go over to Forex Factory here, you'll see it's the prelims here coming in. Consumer sentiment. Yeah, they're expecting a little change, but nothing too crazy. So we'll see. We didn't get much volume here on this 930 candle. So if the volume didn't come in at 930, well, then we could probably expect the volume to now move in at 945 here, right? So let's see how we close, and then yeah, we may have sell stops in the break of the lows here if we close bearish. If this thing turns around and flips bullish, then there's a high probability we're most likely going to move up. Do I pray before trades? Nah. Nah, man. My praying has been done. We're covered today. Red folder at 10. Yep. Oh, look at this. Did we talk about 30-minute celery plays here? May have one here today. Pound yen. We may have a celery play. Yes, sir.
That's all.
Give us a little bottom wick right there, yeah. So it's called Forex Factory? Yes. Oh, man. Oh, man. 15 closing with very little to no bottom wick here. GJ still open on the 30. 15 close, no bottom wick as well. All right. All right. How do I clean your journal again? You gotta go to File, Make Copy, and then clean it up. We starving out here now. We starving. This is good though, because we may get a 30-minute celery play here. So if price closes just like it is below this level here, then we're gonna have entries on the break of the lows to continue down. So not a bad move here. You got a support here, which is gonna be our original target, TP1, and then TP2 is gonna be somewhere down in this range here. So if we can get that, that's probably gonna be the cleanest move for us here. Gold moving up, right? Broke 30-minute lows and now moving up. 15 close and no bottom wick. So that's a big reason why I did not want to get in that trade. Right? It still may move down, right? No, I'm not saying it won't move down, but now we close with no bottom wick, right? That's, yeah. Bullish on the day. 4-hour close bullish. 1-hour close bullish. So yeah. But support would be nice. Support would be nice. How many trades do you take a month? It always varies. Here's our months from February. So February was we started like mid-February, but March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, so roughly about the same trades, I would say, right? Filled up almost the same amount of columns. And there's also other trades outside of this that we only take with the signals channel. So certain trades that I'll take off the stream, we don't put them on this journal. Yeah, I'm gonna add up the signals record here this weekend too, because I think I think we're already cracked 100 wins on the signals channel. I gotta go add them up. Nothing. Nothing. Alligator wrestler. Let's go ahead, see where are we closing at, right? Where did we close with no bottom wick? You know what? Let's just get rid of everything here, right? Let's see what our new ranges are. We closed right here. Let's take a look left, see what's going on here on the 15. Looks like there's a pretty decent support there. Let's go scroll a little bit further. See if there's anything else that we can see. Supports. Price came down, created support. Rejection to move back up. Support form, price move up. Closure above, price move up. Oh, wow, okay. Yeah. Oh, wow, look at this. Pushing. All right, cool. So we got this 15-minute range here now. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Yeah, pretty clean move above there. So let's see what happens here. We're ranging now in the 15-minute time frame. Let's see what we're going to do. And let's go ahead and mark this range off here. We're also going to close on the 1-hour time frame as well. Barcode. GJ trying to give us that 30-minute celery play here too. So we're going to stick with these ranges on pound yen. Probably just make it a little cleaner. And we'll remove this for now. Make this a little cleaner. All right, cool. All right, we'll see what happens. 10 minutes. I feel like I've just been counting down candle times this whole week. There we go, 10 minutes. And 10 minutes goes by and another 15 minutes.
Life of a trader.
What a week.
It's been just one of those weeks. Literally.
also have news coming out here in 9 minutes as well. I need some money to TGIF tonight. Oh, damn, bro. I haven't been to that restaurant in a long time. Is it me, or has every restaurant tripled the prices here in the US? Or am I just tripping?
Nah, you're right.
Really? Right? Like, I don't know, man. I picked up some... Yeah, I don't know, man. The prices are getting sketchy, man.
2 people costs you like $100 nowadays.
Hey, yeah, I can't go out. I can't go out to dinner without spending under $120.
Nice.
Literally. That's just for me and Anna.
That's exactly.
I'm like, well, damn. Didn't that same meal used to cost us like $40? Biden economics. That's what you get. Yep.
A steak bowl, $12. Yeah, right. Like
that. Well, that now you see the repercussions, right? From when you turn on the money machine, and everyone thought it was so incredible to get a couple free dollars, right, back in 2020. But that whole bill, we got the least out of that deal, right? A lot of that money went elsewhere into other countries also, but we're paying the price now, right? So be careful what you take for free.
yeah, man. Nowadays, you're better off just cooking dinner yourself.
Free dollars? No such thing. Well, this is good. I like what I see here.
Yeah, that's funny.
Everything you get for free comes with a hook on it. Right? If somebody gives you something for free, just be weary. Especially somebody like the government, you know what I mean? Definitely don't want to take nothing free from them.
Yeah, Wayne J. Cookout's the way, man. It's cheaper. You'll get it the way you like it. And yeah, it comes out hot. You can make any dinners you want.
You had no choice to receive it. Yeah, that's
Any dinner,
got a point.
You can make any dinner where you can go to a restaurant and get the same thing.
Nick's giving free live streams. Yes, but this is free information to do anything you want with it. When someone gives you a free something like money, be careful. Yeah, a lot of people want to talk to me very nicely as well now. They see that I have 1,700 people watching us live, and now all of a sudden they want to talk to me, man. They want to hand me free things, but I know a little some about free things from outside sources, just trying to get one over, you know? These millionaires talk to me different now, man. Have you ever lose confidence in a trade before? Yeah, if it was going against my plan, I'm always uneasy from the jump. Yeah, anything playbook related, I'm very confident in. But if it's outside of the playbook, then that's when I get uneasy, right? And unconfident. But I don't really do that anymore, so yeah. If it's free, you're the product. There you go. All right, support being formed here. Very, very, very nice. Will the New York traders get a chance at these buys? We'll see. Why sit so long and just chat? It's time to call the stream a chatterbox, not a trade. Raja streams for a little over an hour. If there's no options or deals, then why sit? I don't know, Mr. Robert. Why are you sitting here, bro? You don't see trades, you go. All right? I'm sitting here because I ain't got nothing to do. I'm just hanging. You ever seen that meme? I'm just hanging. What am I doing? Nothing. All right, just waiting for a playbook setup here. That's all. Just hanging around, waiting for a playbook. I'm also not Raja. Right? I think you guys from the outside kind of put us all in a box or something. All right? We're all different. We got different schedules, different everything. We do a little chatting. We like to chat. We do a little chat. He's Nick Fobanks. Word, Jimmy.
That's facts.
Sometimes I'm just pretty amazed at what people think in their head and then type it with their hands and then actually press send sometimes. I'm like, what's the point?
Facts, bro. Facts.
Like, did you really think of that? Type it out and click send?
It's like, what were you trying to do there? What were you trying to accomplish?
Raja the GOAT. Yeah, you can't compare to Raja, man. Raja's been my main mentor with this stuff. Yeah, he's the GOAT. Awesome, Daisy. Awesome, awesome. Good to hear that. Oh, wait. How long till news? 1 minute and 20 seconds. One minute. $4-hour ready to fly, or what do you guys think? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see what happens with this support level. One hour looks like it's going to close bearish as well here. Yeah, 1 hour is going to close bearish here. Okay, here's the news. So 30-minute again did close bullish. 1 hour closed bearish. We're in this little bit of a range here. Let's let this news come out, and then we may have a move here. News came out. Let's check it out. Oh, 63. So news came out bad for the dollar here. So it looks like gold should continue up now. Right? If news came out bad on the dollar, you should see a continued move up here on gold. Let's see what this 5-minute will give us on the bottom wick, and then we may be having some buy stops here on the flip. No top wick here yet. There's a fight tomorrow. Who's going to watch? I think we're going to watch that fight. Yeah, I think we're going to watch. Yeah, let's wait on this 5-minute candle to close here. We'll see how we close, and then we may have buy stops here pretty soon. A few minutes. Who's the GOAT in UFC? Khabib. Hands down. Close your eyes and buy. Yeah, Khabib or John Jones, and I really do like Justin Gaethje. Another good fighter. All right. So this 15 is going to come, I mean, this the 30, or I mean, I'm sorry, the 1 hour is going to come up to make a top wick here. So will this be the top wick and move up now, or is it going to just give us a top wick to move down, right? Being that the candle closed bearish. That's why I want to wait for that 5-minute candle to close here. So there's our wick, right? There's our little entry point if we do end up taking these. So just give it a sec. Oh yeah, Khabib is insane. All right, give me less than 1 minute.
Well, margin time, Shiro. Khabib overrated? I don't know about that. Isn't he like undefeated? Wilson Friday, that's right, AB Mike.
All right, so if we come back down just a little bit here, we'll have buy stops on the break of the highs. See if we can come down a little bit though for the new 5-minute open. Stops are going to be current candle highs here as well, or current candle lows. Why does this look not good here on a 8 cap? There's GJ. Man, these stops are massive. 76 pips.
Sheesh. Yeah, that's wild.
Jeez. Yeah, we may have to console with these lower time frames here, gang, for stop losses. Other than that, we have massive stops. Oh, 49, 50 pip stops. Yeah, we may have to work with these lower time frames here today. Yeah, I don't have anything yet here. Nothing yet. Yeah, we're going to wait on the 15 to get the better stop here. So we're going to have to use current 15 stops. But look, if we break these highs, we should start to fly up, right? If we re-break these 30-minute highs, right, that's going to, or 1 hour highs, that's going to stop out all the sellers from the 1 hour and move on up. So I think we wait for the 15 here. We get a better stop loss. And then if we break those highs, we can continue up and fill this wick up here. Just go for it with no stops. Yeah, these are about 50 pip stops here. So let's see if the next 15-minute candle, right, can come down and give us a wick like this, right? Then what we could do is we can use that as our stop and then break the highs. That'll be our position, right, to come on up, and we'll have a much better stop loss in that situation. But we still got a few minutes here on this 15 candle. It's also the news release candle too, right? News just came out 8 minutes ago. But 4 hour moving back up very nicely here. Yeah, worst case is a 50 pip range ahead of us here too.
The 4 hour wick fill.
Y'all do stop loss. Yeah, high volume gold day here, man. When war comes out, you see these massive stop losses. Massive. But you also see massive ranges too, right? Like this range to the wick fill is 53 pips. So you also see big ranges as well. All right, there goes the high there. Let's see if the 15 can close outside the range here.
Oh, watch this right now.
There it goes. There it goes. Five-minute moving up. 15 close in 4 minutes. Can you guys be just patient for 4 minutes? And if we get the closure, we should be going up. Find a doorknob for the next 4 minutes. I want my cookie now. Yeah. But if you hold off 4 minutes, I'll give you 2 cookies. Will you wait? TikTok for 4 minutes. Let me go burn some brain cells real quick for 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Watch some.
Option, that's funny.
Watch some 19-year-old male do some sort of weird dance. Yeah. Ain't gonna happen.
Straight.
Do the dance. Dance on it. I'd rather not watch some 22-year-old dude dance around like a female. Elvis would have killed TikTok, bro. Yo, Elvis would have killed it on TikTok. Michael Jackson on TikTok? What?
Damn. That would have been savages.
No, please. No cats in the Discord. No cats in the Discord. Cats can only go... We're going to have to make a cat section for y'all. What do you think, Cheryl? Dedicated to all the cats around the world. You have any advice for swing traders? Not really, because I'm not a swing trader, you know, so I don't really have too much advice. Just be patient with your trades, you know, find a good strategy that works. And yeah, I never really did swing trades. So, oh, look at this. Look at this damn thing on pound yen. Yeah, you guys still holding from up here? 39 pips. Yeah, I want to see gold close above here. We can close above, we could fill that wick, and we could attempt 1925 here. Is MT5 MetaTrader 5? Yes. Yep. Skipped. 15's gonna close here in 10 seconds. Yeah, man. 4 hour, 2 pip top wick. Yeah, so
Yeah,
we
no,
closed. Yo. Yeah, gold's closing right here. Y'all want to stick around? If not, we'll shut the stream down. I'll stay here with the signals channel. What do you guys want to do? But I'm not going to take it off the 15 here. So if y'all want to stick around, we'll stick around a little bit. If not, I'll get up out of here. Stay, 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 stay. All right, cool. We'll stay. We'll hang out. We'll see if we can get the 30 to close now. I'm not leaving. Alright, we stay. Alright, we chilling. Let's see what GJ did here on the 15. Closed bearish here. Let's see. We got more range to drive. Call the cops. Last candle, and then we call it. That sounds like a plan. Stream till Monday. 72 hours. Sing a song? What song you want me to sing? Give me a song. We'll sing it. Just hanging around. Yeah, I'll chill. I'll hang around. It's Friday. We ain't got nothing to do. Wife is sleeping, I think, still. Kids are still sleeping. So, I'm chilling. I got time. Sing Baby Shark? Oh, man. I probably know every word to that song at this point. Nah, actually, my kids don't watch that. But I know the song. Yeah, I don't think they really watch Baby Shark too much. TK. I think everyone knows that song, whether you got kids or not. As long as you got family members, nieces, nephews, grandkids, you know that song.
Yeah, it sounds annoying.
Hey, Tariq, thank you, bro. Appreciate the donation here, man. You guys don't have to donate, but thank you for the gesture. Appreciate that. Shout out to Tariq, man. Shout out.
TK, that's funny.
It's like drinking from a straw. You can't look tough drinking from a straw. Or singing Baby Shark. Or singing that Mario. You guys remember that Mario song back in the day? Man, all the gangsters were singing that. You guys remember that song, Let Me Love You? You start hearing that thing bumping, you know, look over and some top G's in the car and like, oh, damn. All right. What was that dude's name? Mario? I think it was just, yeah, I think it was just one name.
Mario, man.
Lost some money this week, but I think it's important. Yeah, I think I lost some money this week too. We do a little losing. We do a little losing. Gold consolidating, yeah. Yeah, our reward for patience may come next week.
I think so.
1 hour is still bearish. 1 hour Pacquiao going on here. Yeah. Yeah, if the 30 doesn't close above in 10 minutes, that's a wrap. Well, job, bro. You're doing a fantastic job for us. Oh, thank you, man. ADE in the building. Appreciate that. Play Walk. You guys like that song? Walk. We may be millionaires by next week. We may be millionaires by next week. That is true.
So.
Playlist. Thanks a lot, Nick, for the free education. Got y'all. Got y'all. Yeah, man. My bad. You know, like no trades here. Sometimes that's how it is as a trader, man. Sometimes you'll sit days upon days, right, and not take a trade, right? Maybe not the newbie traders who you guys may talk with, and maybe not the traders that you always see posting and all that good stuff, but you hang around the pros and the professionals, you'll see, you know, not every week is going to be a trading week. Not every week is going to be a profitable week. None of that, right? So there should be zero expectations when you're playing in these ferocious markets here, right? It's hard to trade, right? It's hard to remain consistently profitable. So that's why building an edge the best you can is going to put you, you know, in the best position to succeed here. But if that edge doesn't show up, then you got to stay out, man. You got to lay off. Got to lay off. And today we just didn't really have much, right? Didn't have much, had some news in the way as well. The only trade I think we could have maybe taken today, but we didn't have a 4-hour top wick, was this move down. That was the only clean move, if that top wick was there. Other than that, gold just ran up all day long, so there wasn't nothing really for us to do there. Now we're consolidating. Maybe we'll get a late move here, but yeah, that was pretty much it. So you just gotta learn to be disciplined. You know, just look for those playbook setups that you have and don't budge on anything outside of it. And sometimes that may lead to a no trade day. Sometimes that may lead to 3 or 4 no trade days in a row. You know, it just all depends on the market. October last year was fire. Yo, October, November, and December last year was amazing. Absolutely amazing. The volume we've seen during Q4 was incredible. Fast success builds ego, slow success builds character. Yeah, you're right. How were the stops last Q4? If I can remember right, they were most of the time they were pretty decent. Yeah, you were looking at like 30 pip stops on average. Yeah, but you'll notice that the ranges are much bigger now. Like look at this range from here to here, 100 almost 120 pips, right? The wick fill here, 60 pips, right? We're normally in what we've seen in the past, let's say Q2 or 3, that's going to be like a 25 pip wick fill, right? So the ranges are much bigger, but therefore the stops are going to be a little bit bigger as well. Good luck, bro. Trading is patience. Will you do live every day? Yeah, well, we stream live every day for free. Just, yeah, sub to the channel if you're not subbed yet, and just come by every day. And hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream yet, give us a like on the channel. Maybe the likes will help us get a position here. Maybe that's what's off. What time zone am I in? I am in Eastern Standard Time. Been blowing accounts, but your stream made me confident. I'm not there yet, but God bless you. Bring the entire ocean. Bring out the whole ocean, baby. Yes, amen. Yep. Yeah, that's good, man. You'll get it. You'll get it. You stick to it. By the way, nothing changes, right? Like nothing, no like fairy dust falls down and all of a sudden you label yourself as a profitable trader, right? Nothing like that happens. It's the same thing too. Like when you get like that certain goal of money, let's say on a month that you were shooting for, like you could lose it the next month, right? Like nothing's guaranteed. So there's no like, okay, now I'm a profitable trader, right? No lightning bolt is going to come down and boom, you're a profitable trader now, right? Like it's just you go day in, day out, day in, day out. You'll start to see better results and better results. And, you know, eventually you'll look and you'll be like, damn, I'm getting pretty good at this, right? I've been pretty consistent with my profitability, taking good trades, and you'll still lose trades. You may even still blow an account, right? Doesn't take away you know, that you've put in the work and you've developed a skill set. So don't wait for that lightning strike to come down. Nothing drastic needs to happen. Just keep taking trades. All right, 4 minutes, and that's our last call here. Gold boring me. Watch it close with no top wick. Boring is good. Yeah, boring trading is good trading. This week, overall 3% loss, staying strong. Yeah, don't worry about it. I took a 3%, over 3% loss this week too. Don't worry about it, right? Even though I was, see, you could have 12, 13 profitable months in a row and then just go ahead and, you know, have a losing week. It's not a big deal, trust me. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, we may be able to use this 15 low here. It's about 27 pips. All right, Johnny boy. Let's see what is going to go down here.
See what happens.
$47 seconds. Oh, ducking down, ducking back down. You guys are doing good, man. All you guys that didn't take a trade today, and you're working on that, you're doing good. You're like, nah. You guys are doing awesome, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Just hold tight. If this closes right at it, man, to hell with it, bro. Like, let this thing go to the moon. I don't care. Yeah, so we basically closed right at it. Damn. Really? Like, that close? Couldn't be a little bit more obvious? Oh, man. All right. Well, technically we did close above here. Let's see if we can come down. And we'll probably have stops below the 15-minute candles here. Yeah. Oh. Hold up. Where's my TP? Oh, damn. All right, so I'm going to have buy stops here. We're going to pull the trigger on this and see if we can get activated for price to move on up. And this will be the last attempt of the day. We did close above. So let's see if we can get a move out of this. Dum, 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 dum. Okay, so it looks like we've been activated here. So given this a last shot here on gold. So been activated, got into some buys, gonna look to target that wick fill. Stops are tight, we're keeping them below the 15 candle. Looking to see if price can run up to 1925 here. Probably gonna manage this position right around this wick fill, which in this case I believe will be about 20 pips in profit. So we'll see if we can get that 20 pip wick fill. If not, then we'll call it a week here. If not, we'll keep our stops below the previous 15. If we close back below the range, we will close the position out. But other than that, we'll see if we can fill this wick here. So Friday, last shot here. Where's the stops? I'm keeping my stops below the previous 15 candle. Yeah. All right. Yeah, partials would be like 1916 100 here. So we'll see what happens. If we get stopped, we get stopped. If we hit profit, we hit profit. One thing we don't want is the 30 to close bearish right back below the range. That's what we don't want. We want to see this candle pump up at 1030 here. Okay. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. All right. So I'm going to close partials right here. So closing partials right there at 10 pips. Going to delete this and move stops to probably current lows. And next destination will be the wick fill here. Yeah. Lovely.
Nice.
Yep. Keep stops at current 15. If we do break this high, then we'll move stops to BE. Yeah, we'll move stop. Yeah, I'm going to move stops to break even right here. So we'll go break even on this trade. Stops at BE and just let it run now. See if it can come up and break this high before tapping us out. That would be awesome. So we'll see. But B's been tapped. Last minute position here on this lovely Friday. Now let's see if we can finish the job and fill that wick right there. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I don't know why I thought that was a 20 pip wick fill. Yeah. W. That's a nice way to end the week with a nice little W there. Again, man, that's why, you know, sometimes you can sit for 4 hours, right? And not take any trades, and then, you know, take a position and make some money, right? Make a day's wage or a week's wage or a month's wage in one trade. Oh, what happened to this? I think that was, yeah, I think I got B there, right? B, yeah, I got break even there. Awesome, cool. So I think we got 9 pips on that, right? I think we took 9. Yeah, 9 pips. All right, cool. So let me just fill this out, and then we'll get up out of here, unless we're gonna take one more trade. You guys up for one more? Raja did say 1 to 2 trades a day. Gold buy. Breakout. Yeah, small 9 pipper, but that's cool. All right, cool. One more. Let's roll the casino here.
W trade. Nick, I'm about to hop off.
All right, brother.
I'll talk to you a little bit later.
Enjoy your profits.
Thanks, bro. Chad, I'll have a good weekend. See you guys later.
Peace, Johnny boy. He's out of here. $50 lot. What did we open there? Did we open? I don't even know. No, 25 lot. 25. Yeah. So squeeze one out there. I think that should be the week. Probably won't take any trades today, right? Just gonna settle down here, wait for next week, see how the weekly candle closes, and then we will get back to it. So yeah, chat, that's gonna be the day. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm gonna figure some things out this weekend for next week when we're gonna do the stream, and we'll all have all that stuff together. But hey, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and enjoy the weekend. Thanks for hanging today. Mods, love y'all. Thanks for coming by. Got a trade. Have a great weekend. Got a trade. And the rest of you guys, we'll see you back here on Monday. So love y'all. Have a good one. Blessings, my friend. And we'll see you later. Peace. Hey, Lele. Say bye to everyone. Say bye, everyone. Say peace. Say later. All right, y'all. Y'all be great, all right? Have a great one. Peace.